All right, now shifting focus, the Supreme Court is all set to hear a bunch of petitions today challenging the IT Rules 2023, which enable the creation of a fact-check unit. Now, this comes just after the centre notified the Press Information Bureau's fact-check unit as the central government's fact-check unit. The case reached the top court after the key petitioners Kunal Kamra and the Editors Guild of India were unhappy with the Bombay High Court verdict. Remember, a division bench of the Bombay High Court delivered a split verdict in the case. However, the third judge to whom the matter was referred to refused to say the IT rules amendment. The petitioners have argued that the fact-check unit will cause a chilling effect on freedom of speech and expression and will create a regime of self-interested censorship. Now, there are also concerns over the safeguards for a user against the takedown of content. The petitioners also argue that the rules are broad in its sweep and would operate to muzzle speech against the central government. Now, remember, the PIB's fact-check unit has now been made responsible for vetting all online content related to the central government. And it's not just this. Social media intermediaries are bound to take down information which has been identified as false by the unit, and failure to do so will then invite legal action. We're crossing over to my colleague Harish to get us more details on this. Harish, something like this, which has been constituted, we're going to be seeing the Press Information Bureau become the fact-check unit. When we talk about the petitions that are going to be against it, is it likely that the court can deliver a favourable verdict for the petitioners? All of this is ahead of the Lok Sabha elections?
Yes, in fact, first let me make it clear that it's not a verdict day, but only the hearing day, the first hearing day on petitions filed by stand-up comedian Kunal Kamra and the Editors Guild of India. So, in fact, the hearing will happen, as I rightly said, a day after Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology notified the PIB fact-check unit as the official fact-checking body for online content related to central government's business. The Supreme Court will hear petitions filed by Editors Guild of India and stand-up comedian Kunal Kamra challenging the IT Rules Amendment, IT Rule Amendment Rules 2023, which enables the central government to create a fact-check unit. As per the amendment, social media intermediaries, websites, portals, social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram should take down any information related to central government's business, which the fact-check unit has notified to be fake, false, and misleading, or else intermediaries face action or get exposed to legal liabilities. The move comes with concerns raised by civil society groups and media organizations about potential censorship and conflict of interest. They have called it an affront on freedom of speech and expression and attempt to muzzle the speech and dissent against central government. So we'll have to wait and watch what kind of order the Supreme Court will pass today.
All right, Rishan, we'll continue to return to you for more information on this.